Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore something truly elegant and timeless ceramic pots. These beautiful pots are not just containers for plants, they are piece of art that can instantly elevate the look of any corner, whether it's your balcony, living room or garden. In this video I will be sharing everything you need to know about ceramic pots, their different design, texture, colors and how they are made. I will also talk about their benefits, how to choose the right one for your plants, and some simple tips to care for them so they last for years. If you are someone who loves home decor, gardening or just enjoys adding a touch of beauty to your surroundings, then this video is definitely for you. So stay tuned till the end. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. So here I have this beautiful ceramic pot shaped like a duck and it looks absolutely adorable. It's made from high quality clay and has been perfectly finished with a smooth glaze. You can see it's hand painted with soft red and green dots, which gives it a fun and colorful look. This pot is ideal for small indoor plants like succulents, money plants, or even decorative artificial plants. It's not just a planter, it also works as a cute decor piece for your balcony, living room, or office desk. The material is strong and durable, so it won't break easily if handled properly. You can even use it as a gift item for plant lovers. The price of this ceramic duck pot is around 150 to 250 depending on the size and design, which is quite affordable for such a creative piece. I personally love how it adds a touch of charm and character wherever you place it. If you are someone who enjoys unique pottery and plant decor, this one's definitely worth adding to your collection. Next, I have this elegant brown ceramic pot with a beautiful textured design all around it. Just look at the detailing, it has a natural earthy pattern that gives it a rustic and artistic look. The glossy finish adds a premium touch, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor decoration. This pot is made from high quality ceramic material which keeps it strong, durable and long lasting. It's ideal for medium-sized plants like snake plants, peace lilies or even indoor palms. The pot has a drainage hole at the bottom, so it's great for maintaining healthy roots and preventing waterlogging. I personally love the combination of brown and cream shades. It blends beautifully with any home decor, especially natural or boho themed interiors. The price of this pot usually ranges from 300 to 400 depending on where you buy it. It's a stylish choice if you want something both functional and decorative for your space. Next, I have this adorable ceramic pot designed in the shape of turtle. Isn't it cute? The pot comes in a beautiful mustard yellow color with white leaf-like patterns on its shell, giving it a fun yet elegant look. The glossy ceramic finish makes it shine beautifully under light and it adds a charming touch wherever you place it, whether it's your garden corner, balcony or indoor shelf. This turtle-shaped pot is made from high-quality ceramic, making it strong, durable and easy to clean. It's perfect for small plants like succulents, jade or cactus, and beautiful of its wide opening, your plants get enough space to grow properly. It also has a drainage hole at the bottom to prevent excess water from collecting inside. The price of this cute turtle pot is around 250 to 350 depending on size and finish. I really love how it combines creativity and functionality. It's a perfect decor piece for plant lovers who like something unique and eye-catching. These beautiful ceramic pots are uniquely designed with a pineapple texture that instantly adds a stylish and tropical look to any home or garden decor. They are available in vibrant colors like yellow and green, giving a refreshing touch to your indoor plants, succulents, or decorative arrangements. Made from high quality ceramic material, these pots are durable, weather resistant, and come with a smooth glazed finish that is easy to clean and long lasting. The size is perfect for tabletops, balconies, and office spaces, making them both functional and decorative. The price of these ceramic pineapple pots start from 250 to 350 depending on size and color. They are ideal for gifting and suitable for vastu-friendly plants setups to bring positivity and prosperity into your home. With proper care, these pots can last for years while maintaining their glossy finish and charm. This elegant ceramic pot comes in a glossy brown finish with traditional hand-painted designs that give it a rich, earthy and artistic look. It is crafted from premium quality ceramic material, making it strong, durable and perfect for both indoor and outdoor decoration. The rounded shape provides excellent space for plant growth, allowing roots to spread comfortably, making it ideal for money plant, jade, bonsai, and flowering plants. Its glaze coating helps retain moisture in the soil and prevents water leakage, ensuring long-term uses without damage. This pot is also vastu friendly and believed to attract positive energy when placed in the right direction. The price of this beautiful designer ceramic pot starts from 300 to 450 depending on size and design detailing. It is not just a planter but a decorative showpiece that enhances the beauty of your balcony, living room or office table. This beautiful ceramic pot comes in a vibrant yellow and red color combination with a unique handcrafted sailboard design that gives it a modern and artistic look. Made from high-grade ceramic material, it is fully glazed from inside and outside, making it water resistant, durable and easy to clean. The tall and suspicious structure allows sufficient room for root growth, making it perfect for decorative plants, indoor palms, snake plants, and flowering varieties. The pot not only enhances the beauty of your home decor but also creates a refreshing and positive ambience, making it a perfect fit for balconies, living rooms, and office spaces. With its eye-catching design, it can also be used as a decorative piece even without a plant. The price of this designer ceramic pot starts from 350 to 500 depending on size and design finish. This pot is a fantastic choice for those who love both style and sustainability in their gardening collection. Now this is a premium ceramic pot with a glossy brown finish and elegant spiral design, perfect for both indoor and outdoor plants. The pot has a sturdy build quality with a smooth glaze that gives it a rich and classy look. Its medium to large size makes it ideal for growing decorative plants like money plants, syngoniums or small palms. The unique spiral patterns adds a modern touch, making it a great choice for home gardens, balconies, or office spaces. It also has a drainage hole at the bottom to prevent waterlogging and ensure healthy plant growth. Overall, this pot is both aesthetic and durable, a perfect blend of style and functionality, and all this at just 450 only. Now this is a beautiful handcrafted pink ceramic pot designed to add a soft and elegant touch to your home or garden. The pot comes in a pastel pink shade with a delicate white geometric pattern, giving it a modern and stylish appearance. It is made from premium quality ceramic which makes it durable, weather resistant and easy to clean. The glossy furnishing on the surface gives it a classy look, while the strong build ensures it lasts for years without fading or cracking. The pot has a medium to large size, making it perfect for a variety of indoor and outdoor plants such as money plant, peace lilies, ferns, or succulents. It is also features a drainage hole at the bottom to allow excess water to escape, helping your plants stay healthy and preventing root rot. This pink pot not only serves as a functional planter but also a beautiful decorative piece for your balcony garden, living room, or office table. The soft color blends perfectly with both natural greenery and colorful flowering plants, making it an ideal choice for anyone who loves a calm and cozy aesthetic. You can also pair it with white pebbles or decorative stones to enhance its beauty even more. Whether you are decorating your own space or looking for a thoughtful gift for a plant lover, this pot is a wonderful option. Overall, it's a combination of beauty, quality, and practicality. Stylish design, smooth finish, sturdy material, and perfect size, all available at an affordable price of 480 only. And this is a premium handcrafted ceramic pot, beautifully designed with a glossy multi-tone glaze finish. The upper portion has a stunning drip effect in shades of blue, brown, and ivory, blending perfectly into the soft green base. Each piece is individually handmade, so every pot has its own unique texture and color combination, a true work of an art. This thick ceramic body makes it sturdy, durable, and long lasting, perfect for everyday use for both indoors and outdoors. The pot's compact yet stylish shape makes it ideal for tabletop plants, succulents, cactus, bonsai, or small indoor plants. It also includes a drainage hole at the bottom, which helps prevent overwatering and keeps the soil fresh, promoting healthy root growth. The artistic glaze not only makes it visually striking but also adds a protective layer, preventing stains and cracks over time. This pot is perfect for modern home decor, giving a touch of elegance to your living room, balcony, or work desk. The rich color and smooth glossy surface reflect light beautifully, making it a great decorative centerpiece. Whether your style is a minimalist shelf, a cozy corner, or a balcony garden, this pot will instantly enhance the look of your space. It is also a wonderful gift option for plant lovers as it is both decorative and practical. You can use it as a planter, a decorative bowl, or even a candle holder for a creative touch. Overall, this is a high quality handmade designer pot, elegant, strong, and eye catching, available at just 520 only. A perfect combination for artistry and utility for your home garden collection. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video and discovered some beautiful ceramic pots that can add elegance, positivity, and a premium touch to your home and garden decor. Ceramic planters are not just containers, they are a perfect combination of art, durability, and vastu benefits that bring freshness and style into any space. Whether you are a plant lover or a decor enthusiast, these pots are a great investment for long-term beauty and healthy plant growth. If you liked the designs and information, don't forget to comment which pot was your favorite. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more home decor and gardening ideas. Thank you for watching.